Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Wezi Sibiya, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how I get my foundation to be just right, to look just like skin. You'll even be asking me, wait, where's the foundation? Okay, so I am starting off on moisturized skin, and then I'll be taking my primer and making sure to apply it all over my skin and focusing mainly on my trouble areas like under my eyes and on my smile lines, really just rubbing it in and ensuring that I have a smooth, clean base. Okay, so this is an optional extra. What I like to do is to apply a second primer of milk of magnesia. Now, you might be thinking, Wezi, are you crazy? A whole laxative on someone's face? But trust me, this will make sure that your foundation is not going anywhere. It will be sweat proof, F-boy proof, touch up proof, any kind of proof you need it to be, it will be that. My makeup always stays in place and just gives off the best skin-like finish because of this. And then I'm just using my beauty blender to just take off the little flakes, I guess, from the milk of magnesia, and then taking my foundation. Now this foundation, I have done a review on it. You guys can catch that video up in the cards, but I'm just using my beauty blender to buff it into my skin. So I first use my finger to apply it, and then using my beauty blender to buff it into my skin. And if you can just look closely, I'm using a tapping motion. I'm not dragging it down, because the dragging is what's going to create the streaks. In order for that to just be perfect and skin-like, the trick is to just buff it into the skin. And because I like to make sure to work with this foundation while it's very wet, I work in sections. So I'll start off on my forehead, work on that one cheek, and then on the other side, and then also trying to make sure I catch my neck and my chin area and apply foundation there too, because we don't want a halo. And then I will be just using my kabuki brush in circular motions and buffing the foundation further into my skin to ensure that there's no foundation, it's just greatness. To highlight, I'm using my basic LA Girl concealer in the color Fawn, applying that on my big ass forehead to make it even bigger, and then under my eyes to just highlight my face. And then I'm using a concealer brush to just spread that out evenly, and then I go ahead to buff it into my skin further with the pointy edge of my beauty sponge. And then to take it to the next level, using my kabuki brush once again, buff that in further into my skin. Clearly, guys, this is all about buffing and blending the foundation into your skin. And then I'm going to use my Milani powder to set that highlight into place. And guys, trust me, it's not going anywhere. I don't bake. I've got super dry skin. If I were to bake, I would end up looking like a ghost, and that is not what I'm trying to do. Okay, to powder contour, I am going to be using the LA Girl pressed powder in cocoa, which I have hit pan in. I will, however, not be purchasing this product again simply because it doesn't have the right undertone for me. I realized that it has a very gray undertone. So for those reasons, even though I love the powder, I will no longer be purchasing it. And then I don't know why I thought I should contour my nose, because honestly I wear glasses, guys. Nose contour, yappy. So yeah, I am trying to contour my nose, which, I mean, God already contoured it, so it's fine. I really don't need to do that, papa. But anyway, I'm contouring my nose with the same brush, just squeezing it to take whatever excess product was left from the powder and contouring my nose using that, and then using a brush to basically blend everything in and ensure that there's no harsh lines. And then to highlight, I'm using just a random bronzer that I got from Legit. I use that as a highlighter because I don't like a harsh highlight, and that for me gives me the subtle highlight and the glow. Using my fan brush, applying the highlighter, and then taking my LA Girl pressed powder in the color Toffee to just go over everything, my whole entire face, and make sure to just set everything in place. And then if you want a cake face and a crazy flashback, you could stop here, but I wouldn't suggest it. What I then go ahead and do to just counteract all of that powder is to basically bathe in my setting spray. I will be using the one from Miniso today. Basically just drench that all over my face and ensure that that powdery finish is taken off and everything settles beautifully into my skin once again. And then for completion purposes, to show you guys a completed look, I went ahead and finished off the rest of my face. But I was lining my lips with a brown liner. And then, because I was going to wear a nude lipstick, and for us dark-skinned girls, to just wear nude lipstick without liner makes you look like you're chewing on cocaine. Not a cute look, so liner is needed. And then to complete the rest of my eyes, I went ahead and used the same colors that I used on my eyelid, on my waterline, underneath my baby eyelashes. What? Oh my gosh, I can't even talk anymore. But basically at the bottom part of my eye. The same thing that I did at the top, I did at the bottom so that it's equal. And that is it, folks. Thank you so much for watching up until this point through my crazy voiceover. Today I clearly couldn't talk. My articulation's on the poor side today. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video and you found it helpful, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, join the fam, and comment down below what more videos you would like to see. Until next time, adios.